Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram stuck on black and white screen. So go for your Play Store first, search for your Instagram, update your Instagram if the button available here. After doing that, go for open and you can solve your problem. Otherwise, you can go for searching, click on apps notification, search for your Instagram and go for it or stop it, and after that go for storage and cache, clear your cache, go back, and another way you can go for your browser and search for your instagram.com, and you can use your Instagram from here. You don't have any you don't face any problem in this browser, and you can report Instagram from here also for this problem. So that's the process. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.